everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. So I have been ready for a Walmart Black Friday ad to drop, and we have still not gotten an ad, but we have a few of the Black Friday deals that are coming starting November 7th. We have a bit of a sneak peek, but there's something I wanted to bring your attention to real quick. So if you are watching this video before November 3rd or on November 3rd, you can join Walmart Plus. If you look over here, members shop hot deals first, limited time. Join right now and get 6 months for free. So right here with the join Walmart Plus, click that. It'll take you to get your offer now for that 6 months free. Get half off an annual membership and enjoy early access to the online Black Friday deal. So it looks like you're going to be paying for 6 months of a year. Notice you're going to pay $49 for the first year of the annual membership. The offer that for this is going to be ending on the 3rd. So if you are somebody that is planning on doing the Black Friday shopping early and want to get in at noon on Mondays, this is a really, really awesome deal. I would go ahead and get this deal right now. So back to the Black Friday deals for days. If you go to walmart.com, you can find these deals to check out for yourself. If you scroll down, the first few deals are going to be Black Friday deals that you could actually do already. They had a bit of a sale going on in October. And so some of these deals where it says now $54.99 for this tablet, you could put that in your cart today and purchase it if you want to. So those Black Friday deals are still available to you, at least for now. I don't know if they'll stop being available once the new Black Friday starts. However, if you continue to scroll down, now I'm not looking at all of these. I'm assuming that you've seen these. If you've already purchased them, if you wanted something, let me know in the comments if you've actually purchased any of these Black Friday deals already. However, is once you get to a certain point, it will say early access. So if you can see here in the very middle, we have the early access here. On November 7th, we're going to get this TV for $188. If I click on it here, it will take us to, learn more details about this particular item and if this is something that you want. Okay, so you can grab this 55-inch TV for just $188 on November 7th. Now, remember, my little bit of advice to you in my other video is I would go ahead and try to get this online. And if you don't get it online, head into the store on Friday. A lot of times, these TVs and things, they're not disappearing within the first couple of hours because everybody's trying to do it online now. So I would go ahead and just get in the store and grab it. Now, if you can get it online, great. But if you don't cry about it. All right. Um, Continuing to come down here, we've got another one over here, this Keurig. As you can see, it's going to be it's going to be $35 on November 7th. It's normally $55. So $35 on November 7th. We also have this Chromebook here that is going to be $79 on November 7th. Okay, so if you're looking for a Chromebook, you've got one available to you there. Moving on down, more early access deals here. We have this other tablet here, this 8-inch tablet for $79. It was $119 on November 7th. We also have this Jackal battery radio control buggy, going to be $49 on November 7th. You have this, what is this, LG 32-inch Ultra Gear. Is this a TV or I'm not real sure what it is. $200 on November 7th. Like I said, you can always click it and learn a little bit more detail about it. It's a monitor. That's what I was thinking it was going to be. It was a monitor. Sorry, my Ibotta, it keeps popping up here on the side. I have to keep getting rid of it. All right, so we have that deal to add. If you're needing a monitor, move back here. We have these Apple AirPod Pro with A charging case for 169.90, or sorry, $159 on November 7th was 169.99. So not a ton of savings on that one, I don't think. I would be looking elsewhere for some of these. I know there were some pretty sweet deals on these last year, especially at like Meyer with stacking deals together. So I might wait on that one. $59 on November 7th for these Flip 4 waterproof portable Bluetooth speakers. So that's exciting. Moving on down, we do have the $70 LOL Surprise Color Change Mega Pack collectible dolls. So if you're needing that, $449 normal price for this robot vacuum shark, but it's going to be $258 on November 7th. So that's a great deal there. We also have some Pokemon cards. It's going to be just 20 bucks. That's craziness. It says it was $119.99, but it's going for 20. That can't be right. Oh my goodness, that's a huge difference. It's $100 in savings. So, wow. Okay. Then we also have this Faberware Easy Clean aluminum nonstick pots and pans there, $35 there. And then this one up here that we kind of missed is an air fryer for $38 on November 7th. So scooting on down, seeing if there's anything more. All right, so we have some more deals here. We have this $44 Dream Foams Cozy Super Soft Solid Velvet Plush 7-piece quilt bedding set there. We have $144 Shark Pet Cordless Stick. We have a TV there for $398. It's a 65-inch LG. We also have another smart TV there for $448, as well as a sound bar from Samsung for $99. Okay, so remember, all of these will be available on November 7th for this price. Early access there for a Roku, $20 on November 7th. It's only about $5 savings. Well, actually, it's more than that. $5 from the current sale price. It looks like it was $46.49. We also have $70 for this Barbie extra $5 set with 6 pets and 70 styling pieces. That sounds like a fun toy to have at Christmas. We also have the Comcast with Google TV 4K streaming media player there. It says $39.98 there. Yeah, I'm not real sure what that is, but that's interesting. We have the LOL Surprise Tweens Series 1 and 2 5-pack, $70 for those. And then the Marvel Avengers Titan Hero Series Black Panther, Thor, Iron Man 3-pack for just 20 bucks. A few years ago, I would have had to have bought that for my son. All right, more early access here. So we do have a Hover Star Flash Wheel hoverboard for $84.99 regular price. Actually, that's the sale price, but it's going to be just $79.99 on November 7th. It was $128. I'm also going to tell you a little bit at the end how to save even more money or get more money back by logging in through Rakuten first before you purchase your online items. I'll show you that in just a second. $2 for some washcloth sets. So that'll be good to have. Just $2 there. $59 for a Hoover Max Life Power Drive Swivel Extra Large Bagless Upright Vacuum. We also have $44 for this what's this say? Best Way 18-inch air mattress. It's a queen. Okay. $149 for the Acer Chromebook on November 7th. All right, very cool. So moving on down, even more Epson wireless color all-in-one printer for $179, $6 for some Better Home and Gardens candles. Of course, we have the Google Nest Mini for $18 on November 7th. We also have the Comcast with Google TV streaming device for $18. And then $20 for this Paw Patrol deluxe big, or it's Al's deluxe big truck toy with movable claw arm. Okay, very cool. So if you've got anyone that loves Paw Patrol, that might be a great gift to grab. We also have the Skull Candy true wireless earbuds for $29.88 regular price, but it's going to be just $19 on the 7th. Then for $20.97, we have the tilting TV wall mount there. $15 for a Star Wars, the Mandalorian Galactic Snackin' Grogu. Okay, fun toy there. $199 regular price, but it's going to be $194 for the Apple MacBook Air laptop. We also have $70 Rainbow High Junior High Series. All right, there you go. It's a $5 multi-pack for 70 bucks. Then we have some sort of cocktail machine for $199 and then $10 for some mixing bowl sets. It's 23 pieces for $10. That seems like a pretty awesome deal. So here are some more Black Friday deals that start on November 7th. With early access, you can get them at noon. Of course, everybody has access to them at 7 p.m. Just a reminder, and if you still can't get them online, you can head in store on Wednesday, the 9th, and grab these items. Now, it does say, and up here, while supplies last, no rain checks, select items may not be available in store. So they usually are available in store, but looks like we have just $5 toys with SpongeBob SquarePants collectibles. You have Melissa and Doug's Sea Life floor puzzle for $5. We have Paw Patrol Big Truck Pups Chase 2.5-inch action figure there with it looks like a little pony of some sort. 11.97 is the normal price will be just $5 on Black Friday. We have a Melissa and Doug fire truck giant cardboard floor puzzle for $5. Melissa and Doug dinosaur floor puzzle for $5. We have the giant cardboard floor puzzle of the USA map for 5. We have Disney characters, so it's showing the Mickey Mouse collectibles. We'll probably see some others. Yeah. We have the Barbie 7-pack figure collectibles there. You have the Disney Junior Minnie Mouse 7-piece figure. And then we also have the Disney Doorables collectible figure packs. Just $5. So some great gifts, especially if you are, shopping for specifically, you're a family member or something that is, you've got like especially if you're shopping for like a bunch of kids in your family. If you have, lots of nieces and nephews or grandkids, this is a great little gift you can grab for $5 and be super excited about. We also have, it looks like Paw Patrol Big Truck Pups Rubble with an action figure and a seal for $5. It shows Sky down there for $5 with a monkey, I think. We have the Disney Stitch collectible figure set there. Now, my girls would absolutely love that set. If out of all of them, that would be the one I'd have to get. We also have the Melissa and Doug Alphabet Giant cardboard floor puzzle for $5. We also have the Farm floor puzzle for $5. And we have the Safari floor puzzle for $5. So games are also being advertised during this Black Friday deals for just $6. And we have things like the Sorry that you see, the Candyland, the Connect 4, Trouble, Clue. So all of these games you can grab for just $6 on Black Friday. Guess Who? Peppa Pig 5 wood puzzle jigsaw bundle and with tray. Okay. We also have the Gabby's Dollhouse wood puzzle. We have some Bluey 5 wood puzzle jigsaw bundle. We also have Shoots and Ladders. So everything you see here is just $6 on Black Friday, starting on the 7th. Dino Dive fishing game. We have the Paw Patrol puzzle pack there. We have the Cocomelon 5 wood puzzle Walmart exclusive. You have Gone Fishing game, fun fishing board. Again, all on November 7th, just $6. So, guys, are you wanting to save even more money this Christmas? If you are doing any kind of online shopping, you want to make sure that you join Rakuten today. So, I will have my referral code in the description box below. Definitely sign up with my referral code. There's always some little extra things. Basically, what happens is you will earn an extra, I think it's $30 on your first purchase. So, it's a really awesome deal on top of what you're already going to get back anyway. But basically, how this works is that you will start here at Rakuten and then you will search the store that you want to shop at. Walmart is what we're going to be looking at here. Now, up to 5% back online. So you want to click on that and it will take you to where you're getting your details about what kind of codes that you might need, cashback terms, all those good things here. Clothing and shoes, you're going to get 5% back. jewelry and accessories, 5% back, automotive, 5%, so forth. As you can see, these do uh they may actually even change by the time we get to Monday, especially when we get closer to Christmas. I can't remember what it was last year, but I ended up purchasing a hoverboard for my daughter, and I actually used Rakuten first and got quite a bit of money back on that one because, as you can imagine, those were very expensive. So if you're purchasing any of these items, you definitely want to use Rakuten. So once you hit Rakuten, the actual website, you can go to Shop Now, and it will then take you to the store. So it opened up a brand new tab, brought me to walmart.com. I'm going to shop like normal now. I can purchase whatever I need. I can go to my Black Friday deals here first. Let's say I want to purchase something from the Black Friday ad here, something like this tablet. I would click on that, buy it, and then Rakuten will be notified that I purchased something, and I will get a percentage back for whatever the percentage is for the a tablet or electronic or something like that. That will come back to my account. Now, if it's the very first time I'm shopping, I think you get $30 back on top of that. So this is a great way to save extra in order to make your Christmas shopping a little bit easier this holiday, because we know that inflation prices are going up. So anywhere that you can save money or get money back is well worth it. So again, sign up for Rakuten today. Go to the description box below. Sign up using my referral code.